Hi, I'm Ella Mills, the founder of Deliciously Ella, and I'm so excited that we have partnered with Mindful Chef to create 4 delicious, healthy, plant-based recipes that you can cook at home. These recipes are all inspired by the most popular recipes on our wellness app, Feel Better. This includes this gorgeous golden bean stew with celeriac fries, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. So first off, just peel and cut the celeriac into fries. Celeriac is in season at the moment. It's so delicious in September as well, so this is going to taste fantastic. So you're just going to drizzle those fries with tamari, maple syrup and some olive oil and roast them for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden and going a little bit crisp. While those are cooking, just finely dice the onion and the garlic, the carrot and the pepper into about centimetre cubes. Trim and thinly slice the fennel, but save some of the fennel fronds for the garnish. Then you're just going to pop the onion, carrot, pepper and fennel into a large saucepan for say 6 to 8 minutes. Then add the garlic, turmeric and harissa to cook for 2 more minutes. Pour in the passata, coconut milk and about 300 ml of water and simmer this all together for 10 minutes to get that gorgeous burst of flavour. Finally, drain, rinse and add the beans, simmering for another 5 to 7 minutes and garnish with your fennel fronds.